Welcome. If you've ever wanted to save all the photos from a Telegram channel directly to your PC, you're in the right place. With Telegram's latest update, exporting every photo from a channel has never been easier. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get it done quickly and efficiently. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're using the desktop version, as this feature isn't available on the web or mobile app. Once you're in, find the channel from which you want to export photos. Click on the channel to open it, and then click on the channel's name at the top. This will bring up the channel's contact info and details. Now, look for the three dots in the upper right corner of the contact info window. Click on these three dots to open a drop-down menu. From the options that appear, select Export Chat History. This is the key feature that lets you save everything you need from the channel. A new window will pop up with several export options. Here, you'll see checkboxes for different types of media and messages. Make sure to check the box labeled Photos. You can also choose other types of files if you want, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on photos. Before exporting, you can set a maximum file size and choose the file format. HTML is usually the easiest to browse later. Once you've made your selections, click the Export button. Telegram will start gathering all the photos from the channel. Depending on the amount of content, this might take a few moments. When the export is complete, you'll see a prompt to Show My Data. Click this, and your computer's File Explorer will open the folder where all the exported photos are neatly organized. That's it. You've successfully exported all photos from a Telegram channel to your PC. No more saving images one by one. Everything you need is now just a few clicks away. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your organized photo collection.